today we're back with another game, and this game is called Fill in the Bottle. So we're gonna have a spoon and take some water from our cup and then put it in the bottle. So our mom is gonna set a timer for 4 minutes. So let's get on to the video.
Come on, JJ. No, Prince, drop your bottle. Drop your bottle. Stop, guys. Stop. Everybody stop.
Can we go again?
No.
So guys, now it's time to see whose bottle has the most water. And as you can see, my bottle has the most water. No, so mine. Who's the winner of this challenge? Me! Comment down below who's the winner. So guys, now we're doing a different game which is called Throw the Ball into the Bucket. I was supposed to have a ball and throw it into the bucket. And whoever makes it 5 times into the bucket wins. So let's get on to the game. So guys, I'm going first. No. My turn. My turn.
think I'm gonna get it stuck.
No.
It's just that the bucket was not well.
Put it my turn.
Oh my god, I don't make it. I'm so scared.
I won! Guys, I won. So now I get a special surprise. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Give a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for